In the realm of gods and giants, one figure stands at the forefront of vigilant defense, Heimdall, the ever-watchful guardian of Asgard. From his lofty perch atop the Bifrost, the Rainbow Bridge, his piercing gaze sweeps across the 9 realms, detecting even the subtlest whispers of danger. Eagle-eyed by day, he sees for hundreds of miles, while his keen ears, sharper than the wind, catch the softest rustle of grass underfoot in the stillness of night. His skin is as white as snow, his hair as golden as the sun, and his teeth as bright as stars. He is clad in gleaming armor, and he wields the mighty sword Hofund, which never misses its mark. Heimdall's sole purpose, etched into his very being, is the protection of Asgard. His mighty horn, Gjallarhorn, stands poised to shatter the silence with its booming call, heralding the approach of unwelcome guests. Legend hints at a deeper role, whispers of Heimdall shaping the fabric of Norse society and claiming men as his sons, forever bound to their watchful protector. Heimdall was born of 9 mothers, daughters of the giant Aegir, and one father, Odin, the All-Father. He was raised in secret, hidden from the sight of giants and other enemies. His upbringing was rigorous, and he was trained in the arts of war and vigilance. Heimdall's duties as guardian of Asgard are many. He must watch for intruders, both from within and without. He must also keep the peace between the gods and the giants, a task that is often difficult. Heimdall is always on the alert. He can see for hundreds of miles, and his hearing is so acute that he can hear the grass grow. He also has the ability to sense the presence of evil, even before it manifests itself. Heimdall's most powerful weapon is the Gjallarhorn. This horn is so loud that it can be heard across the 9 realms. When Heimdall blows the Gjallarhorn, it is a signal that danger is approaching. The Gjallarhorn will be blown twice in the events leading up to Ragnarok, the end of the world. The first blast will signal the beginning of the battle, and the second blast will signal the end. In Norse mythology, men are sometimes referred to as the sons of Heimdall. This is because Heimdall is said to have been the father of humankind. The story goes that Heimdall and his wife, Gullveig, were the parents of 3 sons, Askr, Embla, and Orgelmir. These 3 were the first humans, and they were created from the ash tree Askr and the elm tree Embla. Heimdall will die in the battle of Ragnarok. He will be killed by Loki, the trickster god. The battle will be fierce, and both Heimdall and Loki will be mortally wounded. Their deaths will signal the end of the world as we know it. Heimdall is a complex and fascinating figure in Norse mythology. He is a symbol of vigilance, protection, and the end of the world. His story is a reminder that even the most powerful of beings can be defeated.